Today I will show how to buy shares of Ampco-Pittsburgh Corp, a manufacturer of engineered steel and forged components listed on NASDAQ under the ticker AP. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AP to locate Ampco-Pittsburgh Corp. Make sure you select the correct listing before moving on. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker AP to ensure this is the correct asset. Click Trade or Buy. Enter the amount and order type, then review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order will wait to execute when it reopens, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform further.